Hello, welcome to Your New Closet. I will be walking you through the benefits of the Your New Closet Dealer Program. As you consider a closet program, you have most definitely seen all the options out there, or if you are just getting started, I am here to help you cut through all the jargon and get to what is important. With that being said, let's get started. So why Your New Closet and our dealer program? There are a lot of choices you have when considering a supplier for your new closet. Just like us, most have no franchise fees. Just like us, they offer high-quality 3/4-inch melamine in multiple colors. Just like us, they have a 100,000 plus square foot warehouse and manufacturing facility. Just like us, they offer convenient shipping. Just like us, they have award-winning customer service. I mean, look how important the word service is to those non-actor customer service persons. And just like us, they offer a limited lifetime warranty. Wait, what? They don't have limited lifetime warranty? And this is where we begin to see the difference. They probably do not offer free design and sales services. They also probably do not order the product for you based on the design to ensure accuracy. They probably do not offer installation support and product training for your installers, with an ever-growing library of training videos for reference. Preparing wall mount verticals. When measuring or counting holes for cam screw placement, always measure from the top down. On wall mount verticals, the double hang cam screw is at 42 inches down. Cam screws for shelving gets one on top, one on the bottom, and the one that falls between 35 and 36 inches. The cam screw for long hang is the 12th hole down from the top. Be sure they build a presentation for you to present to your client with full color pictures and a 3D virtual tour of the project. So basically, all you do is measure, present us the measure, and we take it from there. What does all this mean to you? Well, no need to hire a sales staff that knows how to measure and design proper closet space. There is no learning curve to get closets sold. Yes, it really is that easy. Now that you took the time to watch this video and learn about our dealer program, take 30 more seconds to fill out our information request form so we can talk more about your new closet program. See what we did there? Talk to you soon.